It's already ugly. It's already recorded, alright? Okay, so you can get back in. Dan, you can come hold it.
What do you have to do?
Just hold it, that's what you got to do. I ain't pointing at the exhaust now, I'm going to rev the car.
You're gonna what? There's cars there. Is it on?
Yeah.
Sounds like a motorbike.
It's popping a bit, isn't it?
It is popping. It's New Year's Eve.
I'll drive it down.
How'd you put the light on?
You don't need it on.
Why?
Did you see my car?
Might not do.
What?
Might not do. Best to put it on though. You can. Wait for them roots his car then. Can't see shit. Can't even spark up my cig. Hello. Hello. Can hear him. Oh, I see some lights. He's gonna kill me! There he goes. Right off into Stokes Bay water. And that's his car found. Oh. It's another car. It's not as good, obviously. What firework is it? No, I'm just standing here freezing my nuts off. Oh, I can hear some revs. He's setting the revs in there. See them lights? I think he's gonna take me out. Oh shit! Oh, he's pulling over. Here he is. Ah! Saw the lights, that was about it.
Too bad.